Hello my lovely friends, this is Nef from Nef's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to try on camera Ardell Professional Magnetic Liner and Lash. I'm really bad with applying eyelashes. I can apply for others pretty easily, but when it comes to me, I definitely cannot. And I think this magnetic liner plus lash, this is in the market from quite some time, so it's nothing new, but I bought it for the first time recently to see if I can do better with lashes. So I'm going to try this in front of you and see how it works out. So let's get started. So I just took it out from the packaging, and this is a lash glue magnetic liner, whatever. I think it's magnetic liner, and this is the lashes. So first you have to apply this liner just like normally we do, and then that will also act like a glue kind of thing, magnetic, and then you apply lashes, and apparently it goes really well and very quickly. So let's start. And I'm going to do one by one because I'm not sure if I apply the liner on both and if it gets dry, it applies nicely, or I have to wait. I'm not sure, so I'm just gonna apply and do one by one. So the liner applied pretty quickly and nicely. There was no problem. So I have to do the right eye. So boom, here you go. I applied both the lashes, and I would not lie, I had slightly bit problem on this one. This one I applied in front of you, but this one I struggled a tiny bit because it was my mistake that I didn't read the application how to apply it properly, and I just started putting it. So before anybody else makes that mistake, and in case you buy same or the similar one, do read the application how to apply. But this one, it says you have to apply 2 coats of liner, like normal liner. You can even make a small wing or something if you like. Basically it's like a glue almost. Yes, so apply 2 coats of liner and then apply the lashes when it's like a semi-wet. So don't wait for the liner to get dry and then apply. When it is little bit wet still, the liner, then apply the lashes. It goes on pretty smoothly, and I highly recommend this magnetic liner if you are, especially if you're somebody like me who struggles to apply the lashes, and they do love wearing lashes, but something like like me. But definitely I'm going to wear this more now because this is easier, very very easy compared to the other normal lashes. And this one is a little bit on the expensive side, I won't deny, but at least you can reuse this, at least you can apply this easily. So I'm definitely going to apply more. I hope you like this video. If you do, please comment below and let me know. And please subscribe, guys, it really means a lot to me. I'm not sure if you're getting my notification bell, so please hit that notification bell and follow me on all my social media. The links are down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.